Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I want to show you how we can use Python to convert from hex to RGB colors and from RGB colors to hex colors. So one hex color that I happen to use a lot is E6, E6, E6. So let's say I wanted to convert that to RGB colors, right? So we really look, the red, that's the hex color E6, the green, also E6, and the blue, also E6. Okay, so to convert, we can use something built into Python, which is the integer function where you convert something to an integer. And we can, let's print it, and we'll print the integer function, and then we'll take this E6 here, and E6 is a base 16 number, so we're going to put a comma and a base and 16 to represent the base 16, and that's going to convert it to a number. So if I run this here, we're going to get 230. So if I wanted to convert this to RGB, this is going to be the RGB color. It's going to be 230, 230, 230. Okay. Likewise, if we had, let's say, a different color like D3, F2, 1, say something like that, well, we could do each of the colors. So red would be the D3. So we're going to do D3. Again, that's base 16. The green is going to be F2. So we'll do F2, again, base 16. And then we'll do, last one we'll do is 1, so we'll do 1, base 16. Okay, let's comment this line out here, and let's save this and run it. Okay, so we get 211, 242, 17. So that would be the RGB color 211, 242, 17. Okay, so that's one way to convert it. Now let's practice converting it back. So let me just comment this stuff out, and let's actually comment this line out as well, and we'll scroll up a bit. Okay, so let's say we wanted to convert this back. Well, Python also has a hex function where you can take a digit with base 10, which is 211, 242, and 17. They're all base 10. You can convert it back to hex. So what we would do is we would print the hex value of 211. Okay, print the hex value of, what was the next one? 242, and print the hex value of 17. Okay, so let's save that, and if we run that, we're going to get D3, F2, and 11. So you want to pay attention to the last two digits. So D3, F2, and 11, which is what we had here, D3, F2, and 11. So that's a quick video on how you can convert between hex colors to RGB colors and RGB colors back to hex colors using some built-in functions in Python. Now, you could look these up online, but I figure everyone who's watching this channel is a programmer or an aspiring programmer, so we want to use Python to convert our CSS colors, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Also, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, as it really does help the channel grow. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.